Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, the fro is back. I repeat, the fro is back. Don't it look good? Oh yeah, oh yeah. But anyways, let me not fill myself too much. If you're interested in seeing how I achieve this nice curly moisturized fro, stay tuned to the video. Alright, so let's get started. As you can see, I already two-strand twist the back of my head. First of all, these twists look so moisturized. Like, you see how shiny it is? Like, yes. And it feels soft. But anyways, we're just gonna get started on the front. So I am working from an old twist out that I did on my head. If you see some white stuff in my head, that is from the gel that I used like 2-3 days ago, so don't mind that. But yeah, my hair looking kind of rough here, but we're about to, fix that right now, girl. So the product I'll be using is the Creme Butter-licious Curl Hydrating Cream. It's weightless hydration for soft curls, and this stuff definitely feels soft. It smells great. And the texture of it is just, amazing. Like, look how thick it is. That's how you know your curl's about to be popping. So I'm going to section off my hair in like small sections, just so I know the product is, getting in there, correctly. So that size is good enough for me. And I'm just going to put away the rest of my hair so I can flat twist. So I'm going to detangle this part. I'm not going to do the LCO method just because I want to see how the product works by itself. And also, this is a water-based product, so it's already water in it. So yeah, I'm not going to put too much of the product on because, like I said, it's water in it, and I don't want my hair to revert back, and plus, I don't do shrinkage. So yeah. So a little goes a long way. So I'm just rubbing that through, and I'm gonna comb it in, and then I'm gonna begin to flat twist. Alright, so that was easy. So I'm going to do another one with you guys. I'm just going to grab like a medium section. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to comb through, make sure I detangle it right, so that way the product is getting in them strands. Then I'm going to apply my product. And not too much. I'm definitely making sure I'm getting them ends. The ends are important. And then I'm going to comb it through. And then I'm going to flat twist. we're just gonna speed this up just so you know I won't have the long video, and plus I think you get the point. I'm just gonna do the same thing here and I'll be back. Okay, so it's the next morning and I'm going to remove the perm rods. Ooh, look at that curl. And as you can see, my twists are very shiny, very soft, and I'm going to love it. So I did oil my fingers with Black Jamaican castor oil. And I'm just gonna untwist my twists in the back very carefully. As I was untwisting, I did feel that my hair wasn't completely dry, so just make sure your hair is completely dry when you're removing it, because you don't want any frizz or anything. So as you can see, I'm slowly doing it in the front, but I'm just gonna speed it up in the video just so you know this video is not long. But yeah, just make sure it's completely dry so you know you get some defined curls and no frizz. You already know I'm about that frizzy life, so I don't mind a little frizz, but if you don't want any frizz, just make sure it's completely dry. And if you do get any frizzy ends, just twirl it with your finger and it should curl back. So I'm doing my favorite part, which is picking. I love picking it out because you know what that means. Big hair don't care. So I'm only picking by the roots just so I could avoid it being more frizzier than it is. Like I said, some parts wasn't dry, so yeah, that's my fault. I was in a rush. I didn't feel like blow drying it, so yeah. But I love it. I love it. The curls are coming through. The shine is coming through. It definitely feels soft and it's definitely no shrinkage. So yeah, I definitely love this product. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.